na. Ini kan haboy. Bukan na. Amakan kawat kawat. Hi, hello, good mornings, all my dear friends. How are you all? I think better. Today I'm going to Delhi right now. My first time at this Maharaja Bir Bikram International Airport right now. This is road to Maharaja International Airport. So now keep watch slowly. I will show you. You can see this is the Maharaja Bir Bikram International Airport of Tripura. The new airport is very and very beautiful. It is not the first times today, friends. Today my flight to go to Delhi. It's not the first times, but this is the first times at Maharaja Bir Bikram International Airport, Agartala. So you have been with me. I will show you more in front of me. This is such a beautiful international airport. I like it very much. I will see together. You will keep watch, friends. Please tell me how did you like our Maharaja Bir Bikram International Airport by comments. Come friends rock. Rock nukuna tambay kana. Mo ke Kalkata, Kalkata thangoy tamo. Kamo Agartala, MBBI International Airport, Maharaja Bir Bikram International Airport. Ang first time stini international airport no. Kau Kolkata thang tanai Kolkata ni simi ang Delhi kani destination system salko fiaba Delhi jaratino. Okay, already ang boarding pass nai pepeka tabok just ang gate number 5 ani kai andaro baksa phono gona tanai ang kok sauna tanai ani channels iba ani Facebook followers no ang thank you so much for watching my video. Okay, ang naro baksa haino jara mo baksa kok sawai no tong humbai jara no tabok ani boarding pass ko line baksa dak ang tabok line no thamai. Okay, naro baksa mo hang jara pheke ok sauna tanai tai Tripura basi tini ani Tripura takhuk tai Bukhuk song naro tono kaham kana tong baidi. Okay, next ang chuti pheka ka haino naro baksa malai nai kok salai nai seni dafaham kraini bagai ibatai samung kaham thaile humbai joto no ji nai to nai ani video no naro phoro to nai joto takhuk tai Bukhuk song humbai. Bye bye. Guys, ani joto dol song norok nang phurungoi tongo amo tabuk nukhana baskango ani mo Indigo flight Kolkata thangnani bagai ang tabuk thangoi tongo friends norok tono nungnai. So friends, today I'm going to Delhi via Kolkata. I will change another flight in the Kolkata. CU dot flight will go from Agartala to Kolkata in Indigo flight, and my next flight in Kolkata to New Delhi. Thank you so much. Belai humbai joto takhuk. Mo finally ang tabuk Indigo flight division hamna nebo kanai tamo. Okay, just bye bye. No gataran na tamo nebo kai Kolkata or sokai kai hai na hai ang naro baksa kok sanai ani video phajane no Kolkata nebo phono sanai ani destinations Delhi jarate humbai joto no. Hello guys, how are you all? I think all are good. This is the Kolkata airport. I just reached few minutes ago. Ang just kicha sakang agi ang sopeka Kolkata airport night on the Biskango. Hi, I am in the Kolkata airport right now. I just showing you some of my front place. So looking the beautiful place. And guys, may I request you all, please do not write any bad comments. This is not my first time. This is just for memorables. Thank you so much. Hello guys, good afternoon to all. Finally, just reached right now in the Kolkata International Airport. from Agartala, MBB, Maharaja Bir Bikram International Airport. So I will go to Delhi via Kolkata, and finally I am into Kolkata International Airport. My next flight today evenings. The time is 4 p.m. Ang rất bồi thằng cá, ang có tất cả mùi trực mà này, tabuk, cái mà phải cái có đấy, con có đấy, cái tabuk ang thằng này, gate number 22 bó, đang đi thang lại sang xe nhá, gate number 22 anh fly, 347 fly trong đó, Kolkata to Delhi, biang ting khá, tabuk, giải hốt, actually ang check in fly bisa go hap cả, cái tabuk hàng với trong đó hàng cái này gate number 22 á, cái đang đi thang này cả side yang tuy nông này yang chúng ta thang mà nó có đấy yang đi thang cái này gate number 22 thang cái ngasuk này ở jaga thang ấy nó rок bay có rok selain này dol rock tabuk gate number 22 ani next flight ni bagai Delhi Kolkata to Delhi okay naikra na tabuk yang kha yang 23 22 achun huka 23 22 okay ka kore sing tabuk thana gate number 22 đi bồn đi cho ra ba, sana bông muncung khắp lệ, mai rồi bỏ khi cả, cái tom lên mà sana này này cái nó dukan tongo, sana này, mình khá xuống lệ tongo, sa tăng này, cái ở đây á, còn này thì này tôi nói, Kolkata actually ang kini first time ya đó, cái hay nó anh time pass ni bagai video claim ni, anh blog ko tanah bagai, kaya ba ang kini first time ya, kabang mana? অনেক ভালো সফর খাই যাক গনি ওই মাইয়া কয়েকবার খা সেবা ফার্স্ট টাইম এটা যাই হোক তো করে তামসা নাই ও জায়গা তামসা নাই খা বক্সা চিকেন বার্গার 나중에 좀 thank you. Okay, chicken burger na kha. Tabuk kita atu koi chala chene, boza waiting hold on. Sanai kita jaratang kubani. Atu kono chala chene kok kore. Homo kai kata mane ro phamani. Jaga bro asunang kha. Kita jaga na te tamane asunani bagai. Kok kore. Gacha na opera tahu persep kok sebenarnya. This is the point of view of the Kolkata city. The Kolkata city is the beautiful place. I think you are all also like this place. So beautiful. Belai no naithok jaga Kolkata capitals. Tai norobonuk khana thangphai laisui tangmani jarabo. O views no belai no naithok. Nugui tongo all the tamsanai tabuk all the naithok kamani jaga pura-pura Kolkata ni. Okay, tahu pas kanggo ang Delhi ni opro ito na inababagsak ani lain opro ito ni humbai joto no flying in the sky right now. I just want to see you the beautiful place. So guys, tell me, do you know what is the beautiful place can be? Let me tell you that this is a very beautiful place in the capitals of the New Delhi. And guys, please tell me how did you feel about this place together. You will tell me by comments so that I feel better in making this video. Thank you so much to all of you, my dear friends. Thank you once again. Thank you. Belai no humbai aboni bising toi joto takhuk tai Bukhuk song no norok bahai matong jakha o jaga nugoi comments khai sunyani bogai tapok di ang joto request. So thank you so much all my friends. I will tell you by comments now how much you like seeing this Delhi city. I like it very much. Maybe you must have felt more sitting than me. So thank you for staying with me. I will show you move to stay connect with us. Thank you so much, my dear friends. Love you all. Bye bye. Good night. Wow, amo to stable si night talk saga ang wanso go jora jora ke o jaga no Delhi uno setarang nani tiaba songle boro haing manai ba tone male sini nok sini jaga sini ha tipra ha abon sini bagai jese pan night talk ndi sini ha to sini ha no Belai night talk. Friends, you can see dots. It is even more beautiful. I feel that I should settle beyond the permanent here. It is a very beautiful sight. You may have seen it for the first times, or you must have seen it is, but it is very funny. So naturally, I love this place. And thank you once again, my dear friends. Thank you once again for the stay with us. Love you all. Bye bye. Belai no night talk. Belai no night talk. Belai no night talk. Nok masing nadi. Buska gua ang naro no puno gano tong nai. Taibo. Night talk. Jaga no. Bye. Sonja kaham joto takhuk songno. Finally, I reach in my destinations from Agartala by Kalkata. Now I'm in the Delhi terminal number 2, Indira Gandhi International Airport. So joto no finally ang sakpai ka ani Delhi wo International Airport ni jira wo. Kay antara basa frungun tane tamu ani luggage nana bukan thangoi tamu luggage na khana box hambai norok nukbai khana omo so nasingoi tongo ani luggage no tabuk daliwo ke luggage nan kha hingke abra ka ani night hall ni bagai hotel thangnai ke hotel tha kone night halls khaina ke kita ek dui din deliwo abra ka ani taka sa jaga finally destinations ang o jaga sobene tabuk sa jaratoi ana TV ana jenai to nai ana biru jenai to joto takhuk sono belana humbai jo takhuk dai bukhuk sono kai tabuk ang dili sopeka ang dili ni sogenai tai uduga ang ek dui din ang night hall khanai tongnai ang porka ani taka sa jaga khanai jaga khamone ona hasal tongko ta khunani ordek sopeka tebo tongko kai jenai tongmani takhuk sono pipeline humbai ani je video nai tonai ani jeta fans jeta followers je subscribers je klai tongnai rono jeta no humbai tai hor kaham safety ka toni safety precaution ka toni sini tofana hamprani baga jungtebo lai thangmani salo jung kaham kano sorry phai thangmani phai biskani salo jungtebo kaham kano samuk tane humbai joto takhuk sono noro baksa noro ano je nai tonai ba ano je follow khai tonai jeta no hambai kisa like te comment khana buki tapumbi jadi ba ani video te bona nam busnga ke hambai joto takhuk tai bukhuk sono jotani khapang ni fans songno bye bye take care good night mo ke Delhi terminal 1 ni metro station tabuk metro station no ang metro bai sadar bazar kant o ang thangnai Kaya oras mi katay siya bus fare no nai bus kanai bus kawai ang taisa haino hai ani mainly jagawang show nai okay metro flight go ko tabu awara na kawai ang nai ini kana kawai kana wala kawai kawai hello hello sabar sabar camera okay metro tabo sadar bazar camp athawa tabo by metro rok nubai kana okay jat sokana na katabo